In this video, I will show you how to fix VAN68 connection error in Valorant. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click command prompt and select Run as administrator. Click Yes to confirm. Type the following command and press enter. ipconfig space / flush DNS. You should see a message saying successfully flushed the DNS resolved cache. Close the window and check if the error persists. If it also doesn't help, right-click the internet icon in the taskbar. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Double-click your active network connection. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. So this problem should fix your issue. If it also doesn't help, type firewall in Windows search bar. Click Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through firewall. Click Change Settings. Select Allow another app. Then click Browse. Navigate to the Valorant's installation directory. Select Valorant-Windows Win64-shipping.exe and click Open. Click Add, then check the boxes for private and public networks. Click OK and restart your PC. After applying these solutions, restart your PC and launch Valorant to see if the error is fixed. That's it. Now you know how to fix VAN68 connection error in Valorant. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.